Hello friends, welcome back to the iSunshare channel. In this video, I will show you how to repair corrupted PDF files on PC. Navigate to iSunshare.com and find iSunshare's XRepair Genius. This professional PDF repair software can restore corrupted PDF files to normal. Open the software and choose the File Repair option. Now, click the Add File button to upload PDF files into the software. Well, hit the Repair button to begin repairing process. In minutes, the repair completed prompt comes. Hit the Save button to store them locally. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.